Robert Maginda and Annalyn Fernandez, Elmer Centillas and Ami Noel, Fronesis Vargas and Rosan Ramos, Nemesis Adarol and Aiza Tumangan, Auntie Caballero and Karen May Solon, Joseph Mantilla and Jovian Bukal, Ronnie Felizarta and Rowena Garay, Jetty Partulan and Maricel Paran, Gilbert Escalante and Sarah Joy Dopalo, Christian Torres and Lolibet Pablo, Julie Junior Cañete and Edeline Bahin, Jovel Yakson and Nenetes Lada, Morgan Lee, Joseph Osico and Princess Eileen Atiga as husband and wife. Congratulations and best wishes. You may now kiss the bride.
Narinig sana all. Atong palagpagan, ladies and gentlemen, our 2020 newlyweds. Couples this second birthday in Aron. Kagaina 20 plus 20 karon 40 yung tanan. Atong pasalamatan ang atong solemnizing officer, our very own mayor, Attorney Grace Carmel Paredes Bravo, atong palagpagan. And now, paningan ko for this ceremonial signing of marriage certificate, yamin nato, Mr. and Mrs. Christian and Mayan Otaza. Okay? Para sa ceremonial nato na signing of the